It takes 1,000 decisions you never see to build a network from the ground up. We don't sell hardware, so we're not focused on minimizing our costs by choosing the cheapest components. Instead, we want to build products that last.
Looking back, building 9 new hardware platforms at once was incredibly ambitious. It meant redesigning our entire hardware stack in under a year. That's everything from the firewalls to the switches and access points, even a new 5G gateway. Every part of the system was re-engineered. But we didn't want to repeat the problems that define legacy networks today. A network shouldn't be a collection of devices patched together. It should be a single, unified hardware system built to perform better and last longer.
It's important to me as an engineer and a designer to find that fine balance of performance and usability and aesthetics. I would love to say that we get it right on the first try, but the reality is that it takes countless hours of engineering. It's normal to encounter challenges or roadblocks where compromising would be the easy way out. But if you compromise, you can't deliver great hardware. That's all we're trying to do. We build what we actually set out to build.
When you see the new meter devices, know they represent countless hours of intent, testing, and care. We focused on the details, so you don't have to think about SKUs, compatibility, or complexity. You can trust the entire system was built to work for you.